For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Ever wondered how to cook faster, smarter, and still get perfect results every time? Let me show you the Breville BOV845BSS Smart Oven Pro Countertop Oven in brushed stainless steel. It's been a game changer in my kitchen. The Element IQ system is what makes this oven truly smart. Using 5 independent quartz elements and clever algorithms, it sends heat exactly where it's needed. I tried baking cookies and roasting a chicken back to back, and everything came out evenly cooked. The 1800-watt fast preheat also means you don't waste time waiting for the oven to warm up, perfect for busy evenings. One feature I use almost every day is convection cooking. The built-in fan circulates hot air, cutting cooking time by up to 30%. I roasted a whole chicken recently, and it was done faster than my old oven, with crisp skin and juicy meat. Convection really keeps cooking consistent and predictable. With 10 versatile cooking functions, this oven replaces several appliances. You can toast, bagel, bake, roast, broil, cook pizza, make cookies, reheat, warm, and slow cook all in one unit. I love using the pizza function, and the interior oven light lets me check progress without losing heat. It's like having a mini professional kitchen right on your countertop. The slow cook function is another favorite. I tried it for pulled pork, cooking at low temperature for hours, and it turned out perfectly tender. After the slow cook cycle, it automatically switches to keep warm, so you can serve your meal when you're ready. Space is never a problem here. The 18.5 by 15.7 by 11.1-inch interior fits 6 slices of bread, a 13-inch pizza, roast chicken, a 9-cup muffin tray, or even a 4.4-quart Dutch oven for slow cooking. I often cook multiple dishes at once, and this large capacity makes family meals stress-free. Even the small features count. The interior oven light turns on at the end of the cycle, and the auto shutoff ensures safety. Plus, replaceable parts like the light make this a long-term investment rather than a short-term gadget. Overall, the Breville BOV845BSS Smart Oven Pro is a reliable, versatile, and time-saving oven that delivers professional-style results in your own kitchen. From my hands-on experience, it cuts down cooking time, handles multiple dishes with ease, and feels built to last. If you want a single countertop oven that truly does it all, this one is worth every penny.